Alright guys, just came across this Jeep here. Just thought I'd do a little video on it. Not too often I come across ones that are relatively good shape, fairly complete too. This one's no exception. Might need a little bit of work though, but 1984 Jeep Scrambler it says. I don't know if that's accurate. I think it's a CJ7 actually. Seen a badge on the back there, but so the seller's description, it did run and drive when parked. Don't they all? Has been sitting for a couple years now. Needs a steering column to be run. Needs a little work. New suspension. Interior fully rebuilt transmission. Comes with the hardtop and full doors. Other new parts that haven't been put on. Was going to finish it but lost interest. Same old story. Let's take a look at her here. I mean, it's pretty complete it looks like anyway. Yeah, there's the CJ7 right there. Yeah, just to be a good summer toy for sure. I'd definitely would snag it up in a heartbeat if I had the room. There's a few. So one thing I wouldn't mind getting into is rock crawling with Jeeps and stuff like that. I think it'd be a fun side hobby. Other than fixing up muscle cars and stuff like that. But yeah, it doesn't look, I think it may need floor pans on it, but I've seen one picture there, looked a little chewy on the bottom, but I mean you can get everything for these Jeeps now. It's just pretty crazy what you can do. Some upgraded axles in it, put some, I mean, I don't know what those would be, Dana? I don't know if those are Dana 44s or not. They might be. Could be. I could be mistaken. I'm not a Jeep expert, so if anybody's into Jeeps, just let me know what those are. What axles and stuff are in those. Looks like he may have had the frame maybe sandblasted and painted. I don't know. That's what it looks like to me, but could be wrong. Got some meaty tires on it, but they're all dry rotted, obviously. I mean, the frame looks like it's not bad. It looks like there's been, even underneath of it, looks like it was at least taken care of or something. I don't think it was driven in the winter. I don't see any pitted rust on this thing, so it'll probably need floor pans at the worst. That's what I'm thinking, but yeah. Probably, I mean, it's a project, right? It's $4,500, so I mean, it'll probably have to be rewired and stuff. I mean, who knows? But like I said, you can get everything for these Jeeps now, so pretty clean in here. Like it doesn't look like it's really been, like I said, driven in snow or nothing like that. I mean, it looks fairly clean, you know, like a good pressure wash in here or something like that. Clean all that up. It's got the straight 6 in it. I think that's I don't know if that's a 4.2 liter. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I'm not a Jeep expert here. Yeah, not a bad looking machine though. I mean, you give her a good clean down there and try and get it running and fire it up or something like that. You might have a pretty decent toy to play with on the weekends there. Barn fresh this thing is. It's like it's been sitting in this barn for a while. So yeah, there's the rust up in there, so I don't know how severe that is. It looks like, I mean, it's a pretty big hole it looks like there, but yeah, I mean, you'd have to get patch panels probably. Maybe it needs a body mount, I don't know. You'd have to, it doesn't look like it needs a body mount, but I don't know if that ties in with the body right. Maybe it does. There's a body mount there and it's right above that hole, so yeah. It looks like he had the axles all painted, possibly powder coated. I don't know. It looks like it was painted at least anyway. He's got urethane bushings in there, it looks like. Right there, you see the red bushings. So I'm assuming that's urethane. I don't know why you'd want urethane. I don't know if you'd why you'd want urethane for trails. I don't know what that makes. I don't know if that makes sense, or you'd want like maybe flex or something in there, like a more flexible bushing. I'm not too sure. It's got the heavy duty off-road shocks on it. That's the last picture there, but I mean overall it's not too shabby. Like, he should have, this picture here is, well, I mean, he's got a picture of the axle, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. I just thought I'd, saw this thing pop up, I thought I'd better do a video on it. I don't think it'll last. I'm gonna say this thing will probably be gone within maybe a week or something like that. I mean, $4,500. It's a, I mean, it sounds like a lot, but it's, I mean, it's a small price to pay, I guess, for up here for a complete Jeep with some extra parts. I mean, not bad, really. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you later.